guys, ever feel like chicken legs are a bit boring? Well, get ready to change your mind. Today we're taking this affordable cut and turning it into a total showstopper. We're talking smoked perfection with a sweet and sticky maple bourbon glaze and a simple smoky side of corn. This recipe is a game changer. First thing first, let's prep those chicken legs. And I love chicken legs because they're so affordable. I can feed a crowd for pretty nice price tag. But what you want to do with your legs is you want to remove any excess moisture. So take some paper towels. You're just going to dab those until they're dry. Because moisture is not going to give us that crispy skin that we're looking for. So we're going to take that excess moisture off. Once all that excess moisture is removed off of those chicken legs, give them a spritz of some type of fat. We are using duck fat. I love duck fat when I'm smoking the meats. It's got a nice high point and a little subtle flavor that is delicious. So spritz those up. For the seasoning, we are using our Hey Girl Hey chicken rub. We love this stuff. It's got nice herby tones to it and a little bit of kick, which everybody loves that. Season those legs up. This rub is fantastic because of the seasoning blend that it is. There's a little bit of heat, nice herbs, delicious spices. It's a winner. We use it on, of course, more than chicken at our house, but try it and love it. The legs are ready for the smoker, and we are using our Timberline XL, and it is set to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the perfect temperature, I find, to get that smoky essence in the legs, but also get that crisp skin. And these are gonna take about 90 minutes to smoke and cook. It's been about 90 minutes of our legs cooking, and come peek at these. They're gorgeous. Look at the color. You know that smoke flavor is gonna be amazing, but we're gonna take it up one more notch by giving it a basting of our Hey Girl Hey Maple Bourbon Glaze. We're gonna crank up the heat to 350 degrees and let that sauce really tack onto those legs. We're gonna add some corn on the cob to this as well, so we have a delicious meal. And that's gonna cook perfectly as we've increased that temperature to 350 degrees for that last 10 minutes. That corn will be cooked perfectly. These are gorgeous. Look how tight the sauce has adhered to the chicken from that high heat. It's perfectly finished. And these are temping at 175 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature, which is right where we want dark meat. A little higher with dark meat, it helps break down those connective tissues. Our corn is cooked and it's got a smoky essence to it, and now it's time to eat. The seasonings and sauces we used you can find over on our website, www.barbecuepitstop.com.